Now, I'm not sure how many people still use a keypad with their astrophysics equipment, with their mounts. I'm strictly visual. I love my keypad. I use it all the time. I really don't do much in the way of photography. I've dabbled, and not much more than that. And when I hang this thing up, I came up with a system, because I have hooks on my tripods, that I hang this up with. Now, I know astrophysics gives you a lanyard, and I just never use that. I use something different. But I found something that's even nicer and a little more compact and a little lighter. Also, as I do this video, today is September 11, 2021. It is the 20th anniversary of 9/11. And I want to remember all those that gave their life, the firemen, police officers, and those that died in the buildings, in the planes that was taken down, and also those that got sick from the aftermath of working there. So I just want to make sure that we all remember that day. So this is what I originally used. This carabiner is a Night Eyes product. I love their products. And this is something, it's stainless steel on a swivel. And what I would do is this would clip here, and the holder that they give you on the Astrophysics keypad, on the back of the keypad, that would simply just clip onto the back there, and then this would hang from the tripod. Now, the other day I was at one of my favorite places to shop, Lowe's, and I saw this product from Night Eyes called the Slide Lock 360. And I'm sure they've had it, but I just, didn't stop to look. And I thought, well, this looks somewhat interesting, that I might be able to use for my keypad. And here you see it is the SMBL-08-R7. So here you see it. And it does come with this little locking device on both sides. But this is the side that I'm going to use to clip onto the keypad. So I've taken it off. And then this side I kept on because this is what's going to go on the hook. And the way this operates is it swivels, but it also comes apart, which isn't what I need, but one of the features is it does come apart. It's got a really strong magnet. So if you wanted to separate your keys, as it showed, you could do that. And it's got an O-ring back here, so when you slide it back, that O-ring kind of keeps it in place. You've got one up front, and you can feel the little bit of tension after it screws down into that O-ring. But what it does that I want is it still swivels. So all we've got to do is just simply put this on the back side. And now we've got the same thing in a much smaller profile, and it is lighter. So when I'm using this keypad and it dangles down, I don't have hardly any weight. It was never a big deal, but the stainless steel thing that we have here, that is quite a bit heavier. Where this is essentially hardly any weight on this. Another nice thing I like about this new setup that I've got is with the old one, it always tended to want to go one way and it would stay. And you go to bring it back and it would keep going the other way. With this has enough friction here to where as I rotate this, it stays wherever I put that. So now, if I want this to stay just like that, which is what I like, parallel with the surface of the telescope tripod, I can do that, and it stays wherever I put it. Big advantage for me.